Hello learners, welcome back to English Grammar Academy. Today we will learn few punctuation marks and their usage. Full stop. Full stop is used to end a sentence. Comma. Comma is used to separate items or clauses. Question mark. Question mark is used to indicate a question. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used to show strong emotions. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show possession or forms contractions. Quotation mark. Quotation mark is used sets of direct speech or quotations. Colon. Colon introduces lists or explanations. Semicolon. Semicolon links related independent clauses. Hyphen. Hyphen joins words or parts of words. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.